Have you heard about Pandit Nehru की बारात? पंडित नेहरू मैरिड कमला नेहरू इन हक्सर की हवेली जो पुरानी दिल्ली के अंदर है एट सीताराम बाजार एंड द जंक्शन ऑफ स्ट्रीट प्रेम नारायण। अब हुआ ये कि कमला नेहरू डिसाइडेड टू टेक the Haksar Haveli for few days. The Haksar ki Haveli was built in 1804 by Sitaram himself, a Kashmiri Pandit. The Haveli was 3-storied, had halls, was very spacious, so perfect for a barat. जब नेहरू की बारात आई and they came in large numbers, the amount of people was so many that many of them camped at Civil Lines ka Maiden Hotel, and they came inside the walled city in trams. Another problem that happened during the wedding, जो होती रहती है, was that since Kamala Nehru and Jawaharlal Nehru were both Kashmiri Pandits, पुराने टाइम के अंदर Kashmiri families did not like sitting with non-Kashmiri families. But Motilal had invited a lot of non-Kashmiri families and including British families. It was finally decided Kamala Nehru ki family won't participate when it comes to eating and only the bridegroom family, Dulhe ki family will sit down. During the entire ceremony, the Sanskrit hymns were translated by the mother of Jawaharlal Nehru into English for the convenience of the British officials who attended the wedding. उनकी जो बहनें थी, they sang song with gusto. Jawaharlal Nehru himself was not a fan of wedding rituals, but he sat patiently throughout the entire rituals. The Haveli still exists, at least the gate of the Haveli still exists. Sadly enough, in 1974, it was sold to Delhi Yarn Association and a property conflict arose, and since then it has been in a horrible condition. अगर आप कभी भी Old Delhi जाएंगे तो you will realize there are multiple Kashmiri families who were once living there or are still living there. In fact, Gali Kashmiriya and सीताराम बाजार के अंदर बहुत सारी aristocratic Kashmiri families started living after Shah Jahan settled over here. Kashmiris, especially Kashmiri Pandits, were obviously proficient in Sanskrit, in Persian, so they were appointed to all the royal offices. The next time that you visit the walled city, do pay a visit to Haksar ki Haveli.